Welcome to 1255 Seymour Street, a modern, well-managed building in the heart of Vancouver's vibrant downtown core. Unit 304 offers the perfect blend of style, function, and location. Step inside this thoughtfully designed one-bedroom plus flex space home. As you enter, notice warm, modern touches that create an inviting atmosphere. The open concept area is filled with natural light thanks to floor-to-ceiling windows. This space is perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The modern kitchen features sleek cabinetry, full-sized appliances, and plenty of counter space, ideal for cooking up your next favorite meal. The spacious bedroom is a peaceful retreat with ample room for a queen-size bed. The clean, contemporary bathroom offers a full tub and shower combo, modern features, and stylish tile work. Bright, flexible, functional, Unit 304 is a rare opportunity to live in one of Vancouver's most sought-after neighborhoods.